Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of pink poha. It's a flattened rice breakfast made using pomegranates. It's very healthy, tasty and easy to make recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for making this recipe. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, Chana dal and urad dal 1 spoon each, groundnut 1 tablespoon, 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped curry leaves, grated coconut half bowl, 1 tablespoon oil, pomegranate seeds 1 cup, coriander leaves, salt as per taste, sugar 1 teaspoon, flattened rice or poha 1 bowl. Now let's start cooking. First soak the poha or flattened rice in water for 10 to 15 minutes and then drain off the water completely. Now add the pomegranate seeds to the mixer grinder and make the juice without adding water. Strain the juice before using. Discard this residue. Now put the kadai on a high flame. Add the oil. Add the mustard seeds. Once it splutters, add chana dal and urad dal. Now add the groundnut. Add the green chilies. Curry leaves. Mix it well. Now add the poha to it. Mix everything well. Now add the salt as per taste. Add pomegranate juice. And mix it well. Let it cook for 2 minutes. coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Now add the pomegranate seeds. Mix everything well. Now pink poha or flattened rice breakfast is ready to serve. This is very healthy and tasty breakfast, so please try.
Hope you like the recipe. Please like, share and support us. We'll be uploading many more healthy, tasty and unique recipes. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.